This is for my black women and my white women because we are the number one race for breast cancer. Okay? Hey boo, here's how to do a self breast for breast cancer. Do this once a month so you can check to see if you have breast cancer or not. The faster you know about it, the faster you can get rid of it or to treat it. Go in the mirror. This is only going to take a few minutes. Go in the mirror. Put your arm in a 90-degree angle. Take 3 fingers and just go around and feel for lumps. Then you're going to feel on your underarm. See if you have any lymph nodes that are swollen. Now you're going to go around in small little circles around your areola to see if you have any like tenderness, lymph, or little like nodules or whatever. Do that to both breasts. This shouldn't take you that long. But remember, you know how your breasts look. If you see any skin changes, that's a sign. But once you're done, that's it. It's really fast. Do that once a month and you will it's for best results. You don't want to keep putting this off, okay? Okay. Bye boo. Love you.